Implementing safeguards for generative AI applications across multiple languages can be challenging. Amazon Bedrock guardrails now support Spanish and French, allowing you to filter undesirable content, redact PII, and configure content safety policies in these languages. You can tailor safeguards to your specific use cases and responsible AI policies, implementing language-specific guardrails. This expansion enables users in more geographies to build safer generative AI applications, addressing content safety and privacy concerns across a broader linguistic range. Amazon EC2 instances address the need for high-performance, reconfigurable hardware in the cloud. You can now develop and deploy FPGA-accelerated solutions for genomics, multimedia processing, big data, and network security. F2 instances offer up to 8 FPGAs per instance, allowing you to scale your FPGA-based workloads. Each FPGA features 16 gigabytes of high-bandwidth memory, enabling complex computations. The instances are powered by third-generation AMD EP processors with 192 VPOS, providing substantial compute capacity. With 100 gigabits per second networking bandwidth, you can efficiently process and transfer large datasets. These improvements over previous F1 instances enable you to tackle more demanding FPGA workloads in the cloud. Developers often struggle to gain real-time visibility into logs when troubleshooting serverless applications. The new CloudWatch Logs Livetail feature in AWS Toolkit for Versus Code addresses this by enabling real-time log streaming directly in the editor. You can stream log events as they are ingested, allowing for immediate visibility. The search, filter, and highlight capabilities help you quickly identify relevant information. Accessing Livetail through the Versus Code command palette integrates it seamlessly into your workflow. With availability across all AWS commercial regions, you can use this feature regardless of your deployment location, streamlining the development and troubleshooting process for serverless applications. AWS Research and Engineering Studio (RES) 2024.12 addresses challenges in managing identity and access for virtual desktop environments. You can now configure Active Directory settings dynamically, reducing deployment complexity. Cognito integration expands authentication options, allowing Linux VDI access for Cognito users. The new Identity Management UI simplifies AD parameter management and user provisioning. SSH access controls enhance security for VDI sessions. These features provide more flexible identity management, broader authentication support, simplified administration, and improved security control for RES environments. Managing backups across multiple AWS accounts in different regions can be challenging. AWS Backup now offers expanded cross-account management in opt-in regions to address this issue. You can deploy organization-wide backup policies using your AWS Organizations Management account or Delegated Administrator account. This allows you to maintain compliance across all organizational accounts while reducing account management overhead. You can also monitor backup activity across all accounts in your organization from the management account. These features simplify backup management, improve compliance, and provide better visibility across your entire AWS organization. Maintaining up-to-date and secure database systems can be challenging, especially when community support ends. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL addresses this with extended support minor version 11.22 RDS.202411121. You can upgrade to fix known security issues and bugs in older versions. Extended support provides up to 3 years beyond standard support to upgrade major versions, helping meet business needs. You can enable automatic minor version upgrades during maintenance windows. Finally, you can easily create or update fully managed PostgreSQL databases through the RDS console, simplifying database management in the cloud.